Hi, in this video I am going to show you about how to earn $50 in PayPal over again and again. If you guys are looking to earn some real money over online or on cryptocurrency, make sure you subscribe my channel and follow through it because I will be posting the videos on daily basis. Okay then, let's skip into today's topic. Make sure you stick with me throughout the end so that you will not miss out any of the links which I am going to show you. The first website which I am going to show you is test.io. It is a testing community. I have given the link in the description below. Once you click into it, you will be launched out to this test.io website. It is a testing community which I told before. Here you can become a tester so that you can test out the apps, websites and games. You can test those latest apps before launching into the market. That is a good thing where you will be get to know the benefits of the apps and websites. How can you become a tester? Well, it is a simple thing. You can just scroll down to the end where you will see and become a tester. Once you click into it, you can register yourself as a tester. Once you register yourself as a tester, you will get a notification to test those apps, websites and games. Even myself, I have tested one of the game way before a month. It is about crypto mining, I think. Okay, how will be earning $50 by just testing these apps? I will tell you now. You can just earn $50 by just finding out the bugs in the apps or on website. If you find out any serious bugs, you just need to report it to them so that they can be fixed and they will be also awarding you $50. What can you do if you don't find any bugs or the problems which they have mentioned? Then it is simple. You can just earn some cash by just rating those apps in Google. You can just do this in your home by just working an hour or two. You can work at your leisure time. You don't have to be like working while you are busy. You can just make sure you have the allotted time. You just register yourself with the device like a laptop, desktop, iPad or a phone. How many devices you are registering there, that much of notification you can get it. So think of it. If you are just testing 5 apps in a week and you get to tell the bugs which are there in that 5, like 3 bugs there, then you can earn $150 in a week by just working an hour. Myself, an IT guy who is working a 9 to 5, it is an hectic job. It is easy to work from home here, and you can just register easily. You can just register, start your first test and get the payout. There are some of the questions which have been asked frequently by the tester, which have been given below in this website. I will be showing it to you here. Yeah, here it is. How much you can earn? Like I told you, for every bug they are offering you $50 and paid via PayPal or on bank transfers. You can just register how many devices you can, like I said, computer, laptop and many others. Okay then, so make sure you register yourselves in this website. It will be useful to you to earn $50 over again and again by testing many apps and websites. The next website which I am going to show you is about testing time. It is also a testing website, but here once you have registered yourself as a tester, they will be sending you a mail and they will be allotting a particular time for an hour at your leisure time. You can just negotiate your time, but once you agree to that particular time, make sure you present yourself there. Otherwise, that testing will be skipped on to the another tester. So make sure you don't miss out to that allotted time. Well, in this testing time, they will be like recording your screen, only your screen, not your face by a webcam or anything. Just recording your screen with the voice. So make sure you speak out yourself the bugs and the things which needs to be improved in those websites or apps. Like performance testing. So the feedback which you are giving, which will be helpful for them as well as to you to earn some real cash. But make sure you will be on that allotted time. Don't miss out those times, guys. It is very important for them as well as to you to earn some real cash. And the next website which I am going to show you is also a testing website. It is like user testing. This testing website has been way beyond 2 to 3 years, I think. You can register yourself here by just as a tester, and they will be also like giving you a particular time to work in an email, so that make sure you also available on that particular time. Just test those websites and give out the comments and bugs which needs to be fixed. In here also they will be recording your voice to make sure and optimize the performance, the website and the apps. Not only that, you can just go into Google and just type out the testing websites which are given for free. I mean, without any dollars you are spending, you can register yourself as a free. Just make sure you Google it out and find out this website and register yourself into it. So the many websites you are registering yourself as a tester, the more money you can earn it. You can just work from home at your leisure time for an hour or two. You can earn way more than $50. I just mentioned it as in $50, but you can earn way more than that. How much of testing website you are logging into it and becoming a tester, you can earn that. So don't miss out of this, guys. And also as a bonus, I am giving you in the description my number one recommendation. The number one recommendation is to earn money of over $10,000 per month. Yes, you heard it right, $10,000 per month. It is my number one recommendation where you can earn money. Not only that, in that website you can also make sure you start out your new business. If you are looking to becoming a digital marketer or an affiliate marketer, or you starting out as a new business, or you are planning to create a new website, many other things are there. If you are going to become an entrepreneur, this is one of the websites which I recommend. So make sure you check out that link too. I will be seeing you guys in the next video, where I will be telling you how to earn more money in online.